Somebody hold me back. I am angry. I am angry with Lyft. So you say, Jay, why are you so angry with Lyft? Well, I'll tell you why I'm angry with Lyft. I've driven 7 years for Lyft. I've done like 18,000 rides for Lyft. And in the last 2 months, you know how many bonuses they've offered me? How many challenge bonuses? Zero. The bonuses have just stopped for yours truly. And in this video, what I'm going to share with you is how I contacted Lyft to say, hey, I've done a good job for you guys. Why no bonuses? And I'll share with you their weak response. I'll also share with you why I think this is happening. And then stick around. I'm going to share with you the number one strategy I have to overcome this kind of treatment coming from Lyft or Uber. So all that and more coming up. Hey everybody, it's Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. Drinking a little Java in the morning, 8:55 on a Wednesday morning. All right, thanks for joining me for this diatribe on Lyft. Let's jump into it by way of background. So this is what I've been looking at. Yep. So this is the screen where you're supposed to see your bonuses. And all they're showing me is scheduled rides and airport arrivals. That's it. That's all I am seeing. So that's it for now 2 months. Number one, contacting Lyft support. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is some screenshots. So first you can see what I said. For 4 weeks, I have not had any bonus offers. I've been driving almost exclusively for Uber. What happened to the bonuses? Make some offers and I will drive for you again. Why did the bonuses stop? Can you start them again? And then I get the Jay, warm greetings from Lyft. I'm glad to assist you regarding the bonuses for your account. Let me look into this for you. Thank you. I reviewed your account. Now we're over to the far right at the top. I reviewed your account and can confirm that you are not eligible for any ride challenges at this time. Ride challenges are personalized for every driver and are based on individual driving history. Because the offer is personalized, offers may vary. Not all drivers receive weekly challenges every week. The offer amount may vary from week to week. Keep an eye out for future offers. So as I said, that was 4 weeks ago. It's now been another 4 weeks and still no bonuses. So it's very, very frustrating. All I can imagine is that when they offered me the bonuses, I crushed them. When they offered me the streak bonuses, I would manage to get 2 in an hour. And then the ride challenge, all you can do is drive the rides. Sure, I took a lot of rides that were small and I rejected longer rides. So maybe something in my behavior told the algorithm that this guy is just, he's not, we're losing money on him. So let's not give him any more bonuses. That's what I'm thinking, but who knows? But either way, it's very, very frustrating. Number two, I drive exclusively for Uber now. So of course, because these bonuses, can be a significant part of my weekend driving, I'm going to drive for the company that's offering me the bonuses, right? And Uber, thank you Uber, has been consistently offering me bonuses. Now, another thought I had was, well, Lyft is trying to compete with Uber because Uber has been offering lower prices and quicker pickup times. So I think they're trying to become more profitable by not paying drivers the bonuses. And if we look at the stock prices, you can see how bad Lyft is doing compared to Uber. So first we look at, and this is from the Motley Fool, first we look at Lyft. And the important thing is their stock price is $11.55, and their market cap, and that means what their company is worth, is $4 billion. Now we go look at Uber. Uber's price is $44.36 per share. Their market cap is 87. So that's a factor of 20. So Uber market is 20 times the size of Lyft. So Lyft is playing a lot of catch up, and I think their strategy is not going to work because what's happening by not paying me bonuses is I'm not driving for them. And if they're doing this with other drivers, That means they're going to have less drivers on the road. That means the wait time for passengers is going to be higher. That means more passengers are going to go to Uber and like that. So it's kind of a downward spiral that it feels like Lyft is in. And I happen to be the victim of it because they're cutting all the bonuses off to me. Number 3, the mindset you need. So the mindset you need is, I expect nothing from Uber and Lyft except an opportunity to drive. So part of the reason I'm angry with Lyft is I have come to expect bonuses from them. Now, if I don't expect anything from Lyft, then I'm getting exactly what I expect, which is nothing in addition to the opportunity to drive. So that's kind of the key mindset you need to have. Expect less than nothing, and you'll be okay, and you won't get angry with either one of the companies. Number 4, plan to drive more. So if this is happening to you, where the bonuses are either disappearing or they're getting smaller, that's the number one strategy. Just plan to drive an extra hour a day. You know, if you're on the weekends like I am, I can drive 3 extra hours, and at $30 an hour, that's about $90, which is probably what I would have gotten as a bonus if Lyft offered me a bonus for the weekend. Number 5 is you can explore options, right? More options. If you're just doing rideshare like I am, perhaps you want to, explore driving food, right? Recently I signed up to deliver medical products. I haven't heard back from any of the companies yet, so I'm still waiting to see if that's something I'm going to do and explore it. But I'm opening myself to other options so that I'm not dependent on just one company. Can you imagine if I was just driving for Lyft and I didn't have Uber to go drive for? Then I'd be stuck, and that would be a very unpleasant situation. So explore your options. So what are the key takeaways here? Well, stuff like this happens, right? Uber and Lyft, they are not our friends, and they are looking for every way they can to pay us less money. So we all know that. We've been banging that drum for a long, long time. In my situation here, and it might be in your situation, the bonuses are drying up. It could be temporary, or it could be a permanent thing. So I've offered you some solutions. The number one solution, though, I think is really just plan to drive a little bit more to make up the extra so that you make whatever amount of money that you want to make for the weekend in my case, or if you're full-time, for your 5, 6, or 7 days of driving. I've just found that that's very comforting to know I can just drive a little more and make the same amount of money. And then when things start to pick up again, I can cut it back a little bit and still make that kind of money. So that's really the key takeaway. Don't be a victim of this. Just realize you have options. You have lots of options. And when you become dependent on just one company, you're really narrowing your options, and that's not a good thing. I hope you found this valuable. This is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, sign up and subscribe. Hit that notification, and we'll let you know that every day we're bringing out content so that you can learn to be a better driver and make more money in less time. All right? That sounds like a pretty good thing. Go out and have a great day. Go tell somebody you love them, and take care. Be safe out there. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.